Ciao a tutti, welcome back to my channel. This is Learn with FraN. I'm FraN, and today we're gonna learn Italian. Okay, hello everyone. This is not really a lesson, it's just that after I published my last video, I realized that in my previous video, I promised you that I was gonna correct the exercise that I gave you at the end of the lesson, and I actually didn't do that. I just recorded another video just with the correction of the exercises, so that if some of you wants to check it, the video is there. If you're ready to learn, let's go to the video. So before starting with our new lesson, let's have a look to the exercise that I gave you last time. I'll just read for you the words and you can check if you pronounce them correctly. Let's start. First word, which means car, is auto. Oh, it could actually also be automobile. Automobile is the correct word, but we just say auto, car. This one is pantaloni, trousers. Nome, name. Tappeto, you see a double the P, tappeto. Telefono, mela. Banana, pera. Freno, porto. Quadro, pozzo, bello. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you like the video, remember to put a thumb up and subscribe to the channel clicking on the red button down below if you don't want to miss any of my new video. If you want to check the video where I actually gave this exercise, you just click on the video that appears like here. Thank you, and I hope I'll see you next time. Ciao!